Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your PC without needing hardware virtualization. Many users believe this is impossible, but with the right tools and steps, you can enjoy the game on a larger screen. We will cover selecting a suitable emulator, installing it, and getting Clash Royale up and running smoothly. This guide is perfect for those with older computers or systems where virtualization is not enabled, ensuring everyone can join the fun. Choosing the correct emulator is the first critical step. While many emulators benefit from hardware virtualization, some are optimized to perform well without it. LD Player and Nox Player are popular options known for their compatibility in non-virtualized environments. Game Loop, developed by Tencent, even includes a dedicated NoVT start mode. Mumu Nebula is another excellent choice, specifically designed for low-end PCs, ensuring smooth gameplay with minimal system resources. Look for emulators that explicitly state support for non-VT systems. Once you have selected your emulator, the installation process is straightforward. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator, such as LD Player or Nox Player, and download the installer file. Run the executable file and follow the simple on-screen prompts. It is important to grant any requested permissions to ensure the emulator functions correctly. After the installation is complete, you might be asked to restart your computer. Doing so will finalize the setup and prepare your system for running Android applications. With the emulator installed, you are ready to get Clash Royale. Launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store. Search for Clash Royale and proceed with the installation, just as you would on a mobile device. Once downloaded, you can launch the game. Many emulators offer customizable keyboard mapping, allowing you to assign specific keys for deploying troops and spells, providing a more precise and enjoyable gaming experience than touch controls. Enjoy your battles on the big screen.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.